In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with QuickBooks Desktop. This is a crucial step for anyone looking to streamline their e-commerce business operations, allowing you to manage your sales and accounting functions seamlessly and efficiently. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, look towards the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. You're going to click on Settings. Now, why are we going there first? Well, when integrating apps, it's essential to start in the settings area to ensure everything is configured correctly and that you're ready for the next steps. Once you're in the settings menu, the next move is to find Apps and Sales Channels. This option is crucial as it provides an overview of all the applications and channels you're currently utilizing in Shopify. So, click on it and take a look. If you haven't used this menu before, you might notice that it's straightforward to see which apps are connected to your store. This transparency is particularly helpful when managing multiple integrations. Now, find the QuickBooks Desktop connector within this list. If it's not immediately visible, you might need to scroll a bit. This connector is the bridge that will link your Shopify store with QuickBooks Desktop, so locating it is key. Once you have your eyes on it, click to open the app. Doing this will take you to the area where you can adjust settings specific to the QuickBooks Desktop integration. Opening the QuickBooks Desktop Connector app is where the magic begins. This app will handle the connection between Shopify and QuickBooks, ensuring that your sales data is transferred accurately. To ensure that everything runs smoothly, take a moment to review any additional instructions or prompts provided within the app. These are designed to aid in a successful integration, offering guidance on any specific permissions or configurations required. Remember, integration means that your Shopify sales transactions will automatically sync with QuickBooks, saving you time and reducing the chance of errors. This synchronization is incredibly beneficial for keeping your inventory and financial records up to date without manual entry. Depending on your business setup, this can significantly enhance efficiency and improve accuracy across your operations. As you finalize the setup in the QuickBooks Desktop connector, double-check that all necessary permissions and configurations align with your business needs. This final verification helps ensure the data from Shopify is passed to QuickBooks correctly. And that's it. You're now integrated and ready to enjoy a more streamlined, efficient workflow. So, as you can see, integrating Shopify with QuickBooks Desktop is not just about connecting two pieces of software. It's about creating a system that works for you, effortlessly managing your business operations. Thank you for tuning into today's video. Happy selling and smooth accounting!